This is Carlos, and I'm going to fix the red ring of death. Here are the tools I'm using. It's a kit I got from eBay. Scotch tape, cotton swabs, paper towels, pliers, and Phillips. This Xbox is being a bitch. Just remove the screws, the silver screws on the back. See. Yeah, it's being a fucking bitch. This is Jason's Xbox. Sorry, Jason. I don't know what I'm doing. I can't put it back together. Just kidding. I've cleaned the heat sinks. They are shiny now. They were really gunky. They had a bunch of thermal paste and stuff on them. And they were gross. This is the CPU. This is Jason's Xbox, by the way. If you look at it, it looks all fucked up. And now I'm going to clean those. This is what the chips look like after they were cleaned. You can see the mirror shine on them. Mirror shine. Good to go. Got both of the heat sinks put back into the system. Oh, damn. Started about 15 minutes ago. It's taking me a bit to take this thing apart and to put everything where it needs to be. So now the system will get put back together. Here goes Jason's Xbox. Now it's time to cook it. Do we have any red lights? No red lights. Look at that. So I didn't decide to cook it because I didn't get any red lights. They were green, so the red lights are gone. Now I'm reassembling the shit, and this is where I am right now. See, pretty cool, huh? Yeah. Okay, this is the Xbox I've been working on all night to try to fix the red ring of death. See if I did it. Yep. There it is. Playing Batman on this system that was red ringed. It's not red ring no more because I fixed this shit. Well, this was a fun night of fixing red rings of death and all that shit. So now it's time to yarrame. And yeah, Jason, you owe me 1 or 2 or 3 of these, you beezy. Ugh.